Now we will move to question number 3. Okay. Here, a fire occurred in the premises of Cotton Store Limited on 30th 12 2012. So I am going to prepare the memorandum trading account of 30th 12 2012. And considerable stock was destroyed. The value of the salvaged stock was agreed at 4,500. This salvaged stock comes under preparing the statement of fire claim. Okay. And the following data is available from the books. Some data were available here. That is stock on 1/1/12 means opening stock. So opening stock on 1/1/2012 is given. 1/1/2012 means opening stock. That is 34,500. They have given the opening stock. Okay. And sales for the year 2012 is 1,92,000. Sales is also given here. That is 1,92,000 is the sales of this year. And purchases of the year 2012 is given to purchases 1,26,000. So these are the informations given in the question. During the past 5 years, the average gross profit on cost was 25,000. Remember, this is the remarkable point of this question, that during the past 5 years, just I have showed you how to calculate the average rate of how you have to take the average rate of gross profit of past 5 years. But remember, that's on sales. Here they have given that during the past 5 years, the average gross profit on cost was 25%. Normally, you will take the gross profit rate on sales. But here they have given that it's on cost, that is 25%. Prepare a statement showing the amount of claim in respect of loss of stock by fire. All the other things are same. The same information has been given. Here you have to calculate the value of stock on the date of fire, means closing stock you have to calculate. But for calculating this closing stock, you have to make the balance of it, and the balancing figure will be closing stock. But for this closing stock, you must know the gross profit. To calculate this gross profit, they have given past 5 years average rate of gross profit, but not on sales. They have given it in the on cost. So the meaning of this question is you have to convert the cost to sales. I will show you how you have to do it. For that, you must show one working note. So they have given that gross profit rate is 25% on cost. Okay, remember, it's on cost 25%. So the meaning of this is, therefore, on sales, how it works. Okay, on sales it is, see, if you may assume that if cost price is 100, okay, assume if cost price is 100 rupees, then the meaning of this is profit is 25. Remember, gross profit rate is 25% on cost anta idre artha enu, 25% means here percent per 100. So cost price 100 anta idre profit eshtu anta aitu 25 rupees. So ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾದಾಗ ಆಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ 125. Correct? See here, they have given that gross profit rate is 25% on cost. So gross profit rate ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ, profit rate ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ 25. Correct? 25% means on cost. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ 100 ಇದ್ರೆ 100 rupees ಇದ್ರೆ 25 rupees is the profit ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. So 25% is the profit. It's here you have to assume that cost price is 100, so 25 rupees is the profit. So total selling price means invoice price will be how much? 125 because cost ಗೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿನೇ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So 100 plus 25 125. Therefore the relationship between profit and invoice price. Relationship between profit and invoice price is, here invoice price is 125 and profit is 25. Between profit and invoice price means 25 divided by 125. So there's a mean. So 1 by 5. 1 are 5. 1 by 5. Okay. Now tell me 1 by 5 means equal to 20%. So the meaning of gross profit rate is 25% on cost andru onde, 20% on sales andru onde. So now just you have did it that 25% on cost means here 20% on sales. So here sales is 1,92,000 into 20%. Then you will get the gross profit of 38,400. Now make the total of it. 1,98,900. 1,98,900 make the total, and the balancing figure is 6,900. That is the closing stock at the date of fire. So show statement of fire claim on 30th/12/2012. Okay, 30th/12/2012. Value of closing stock on the date of fire is 6,900. On that, value of stock salvaged has given, that is in the question that 4,500 rupees stock has been saved. So amount of claim is only 2,400 rupees. Okay. So remember, when they have given that it's 25% or 25% on cost, you should convert it into the sales. That is, it would be 20% on sales. That's it.